Introduction to Debugging.
Debugging is an essential skill for every programmer. When code doesn't work as expected, a systematic approach helps you quickly identify and fix problems. In this video, we'll break down a clear, step-by-step workflow that new programmers can follow to debug code efficiently and confidently.
Step 1. Reproduce the problem.
First, make sure you can consistently reproduce the bug. Run your code using sample inputs and note precisely what goes wrong. Write down any error messages or incorrect behaviors. Reproducing the issue ensures you understand what you're fixing and helps you confirm the problem is solved later.
Step 2. Read error messages and logs.
Carefully examine any error messages, warnings, or log outputs. They often point directly to the line of code or type of problem. Don't ignore small details. Sometimes even a tiny hint can reveal where to look next. Reading errors closely saves valuable troubleshooting time.
Step 3. Isolate the bug.
Narrow down where the bug is happening. Use techniques like commenting out code, adding print statements, or running sections separately. By isolating the problematic area, you reduce the amount of code to investigate and avoid wasting time on unrelated sections.
Step 4. Hypothesize and test solutions.
Now make an educated guess about what might be wrong. Change only one thing at a time, such as correcting a variable or adjusting logic. Test after each change to see if the bug is fixed. This helps prevent introducing new issues while tracking what actually solved the problem.
Step 5. Verify and document.
After your fix, rerun your tests to ensure the problem is completely resolved. Try different scenarios to check for hidden issues. Finally, document what caused the bug and how you fixed it. Good documentation helps you and others avoid similar mistakes in the future and builds your debugging confidence.
Conclusion. Debugging as a lifelong skill.
Systematic debugging makes solving code problems less intimidating and more efficient. As you gain experience, this workflow will become second nature. Remember, stay curious, be methodical, and don't get discouraged. Every bug you fix makes you a better programmer.